This is Helpscreen, and this is how to fix Dave banking and cash advance app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, today I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first one is just go to your Google Play Store, and from here on the top, just search for the Dave banking. And then from here, just tap on the application and make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And as you can see, we have an update. So just tap on the update. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And now guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device and find apps and tap on it. Then from here guys, find Dave and tap on it, and make sure to tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And now guys, if that doesn't work, all you need to do is reinstalling the application on your device. So for the first one, just uninstall the app on your device. Then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to your Google Play Store, guys, and install the application again. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue and you should have a working Dave Banking Cash Advance application. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!